Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on, well, it's actually yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, August the 26th, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. Anyway, I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, and this one, the 4 stars Sudoku. Number, this will be number, number 6992. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars Sudoku? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1 2 3 4 5 ones. Well, we have here 1 2 2 threes, 2 fours, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 4 sevens. Well, this is a 7. 3 eights and 3 nines. So the 1s and the 7s are a majority. Can I start with the 1? Yes. 1 in the 3rd row, 1 in the 1st row. So in the row between the 2nd row, there are only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Now I cannot continue with the 1. I need more information, insufficient information right now. Let me start with the 7 then. 7 in this row, 7 in the 3rd row. So the row between the 2nd row, there are only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Okay. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 8. How about the 9? The 9, yes. We have a 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this 2nd row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Alright. And now 6. Need a 8. 6. Yeah, I'm thinking. 2. 1 2 2. Well, need a 5 here. The 7 there. Come on. Where's the opening? The opening 3. In the 3 here. Okay. 2 6 and the 4. 6. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, and look, we have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. Here are 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this second row should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left, the 2 and the 6. Okay, we have a 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. Here can be a 4, because we have 4 in the third column, so no 4 there. So the 4 in the last row could be here, could be there. Here or there we see another 4 in this column, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 in the last row should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. How about 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 9 should be there. So now 1 box left in this last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then in the 6, 3 in the 6, 3, 6 and the 2. Need a 2 here. Let me think. 6. Come on. 8, 8. We have an 8 to be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay, and here 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 right now. Insufficient information at this moment. How about 2, 6 and 3? 3, 3, 3, 3. Well, 2 and 6, 2, 6, 3. Need to think 3 and the 6. Ay. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Yeah. Need to think. 9. 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 to 9, we have a 9 now in this column. Last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. So we need a 9 here. We need a 9 there. Okay. Cannot fill this yet. 7, 4. 5, 6, 2. 6, 6. 6 and the 2. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 5 should be there. So 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Alright, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column. Oh wait, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 and the 8. 7 and 8 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 8. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in the second column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. So we have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. We have 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9. Let me mark those. 1, 7, 9, okay. Okay, let me see the 2. No, the 2, how about the 3, 5, and the 6? Yes, 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, no, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 6, here we have a 6. That means in this row, we need a 6. Well, here can be 6, here can be 6, because we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. Here can be 6, because we have 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 2 and 3. Ah, we have a pair here. 2 and 3. How about 1? I'm thinking. 8, 8. 8, 5, 3. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 6 there. 4 we have here. 8. 8 in this column, 8 in second column, so third column. No, only 3 places left. 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 2 and 3. Need a 5 here. Here could be a 5. Here could be also a 5. Here could be also a 5. How about the 9? I need a 9 here. Could be a 9. Cannot be a 9. Could be a 9. Cannot be a 9. 1, 7, 9. Yeah. Thinking. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this one, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2 and 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 159. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this row, so no 5 and 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 1 then. Okay, so we need a 1 in one of these 3 boxes, because I've marked those 3 boxes with 1, 7, 9. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be here, and the other 2 should be the 7 and the 9. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Okay. Here 7. We have a pair here. Here we have a 7. One of these 2 boxes should be a 7, and one of these 2 boxes should be also a 7. That means that this box cannot be a 7 anymore. Here we have a one of these 2 boxes should be a 7, and one of these 2 boxes should be also a 7. This box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 6. Okay, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Okay, so here we have a pair, 2 and a 3, so the other 2 numbers should be 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 5. Okay. Here we have 7 and a 9. Okay, 7 and 8. 1 box left. No, 5 and the 3 are left here. 5 and the 3. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. Here are 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Okay. 2 and the 8. Here we have 8. There we have 8. Here we have a 7. Here we have a 7. How about the 9? 7 and 9. We overlook this 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, 4 stars. No. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1-star puzzle. It's a 2 stars puzzle. So I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one here. So we'll do the thing. So thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.